Hi guys. Today I want to talk about a very basic entry level microphone if you were trying to get into podcasting or voice recording or even voiceovers. For voiceovers, I would say this is the most minimum requirement that you might want to have at your disposal. This is a BM-800 condenser microphone. It is a very basic entry-level microphone, the cheapest probably available in Amazon. I got it from Amazon. Actually, I ordered a blue silver colored one, but I got a golden black one. It looks pretty, but I'm not sure about the build quality and everything. I don't know how sturdy it is. I'm not taking the risk. I handle it with care. But again, this is something that you can, the people who are at entry levels, beginners, uh, we can afford this when you are starting out, right? I got it for 1,200 bucks. So I would suggest that at least you have this when you are starting out into those things, a home recording kind of a setup. Now this is a condenser microphone, like I said, it's an active mic. It needs actually a 48 volt phantom power, but without that also it can work because it comes with XLR to 3.5 connector jack cable. This comes in the packing, so this is the package that I got. The manufacturer for this particular one is Wilson. I ordered a Zingu, but this is a generic model and there are a lot of manufacturers, so I got this from Amazon. And it's working fine. It comes with a shock mount, a microphone shock mount. It comes with a foam filter, a wind filter. It also comes with the splitter. So if you have to connect it to your laptop, old PCs had two ports, two connector jacks, one for the mic and one for the speaker or headphone. So the new laptops doesn't have that. It's a single port with a three pin connector kind of thing. So in order to split that, you have the splitter. This I bought for $250, but surprisingly, a similar one came in with the box. So what you can do is you can plug in the XLR female input to the XLR male output of this microphone, and you can put the 3.5 jack splitter connected to the microphone jack, and I'm just going to show it to you like on live so that you can feel the difference when I'm disconnecting this mic and I'm switching to this particular mic, the difference in the voice quality. So right now I've connected the BM-800 and the audio captured is through the BM-800. I guess you can feel the visible difference in the noise level compared to the other mic and this one. Also, another feature of this mic is like if I move closer into the microphone, you can feel that the texture of my voice is changing. There is a bass boost that is happening, and this can be pretty handy when you're doing a voiceover or something like that, where you need to, have a certain, if you need to emote or something like that, this could come as a handy feature. It's called the proximity effect. This kind of mic doesn't have that. Also, we can check a little bit in Audacity how the signal level comes in Audacity when using this particular microphone. So you can see that in the monitoring, the noise level is very low, and the signal level is coming around between -42 to -36. If I move closer in, then I'm getting a better signal. It's coming between -30 and -24. And I've kept the recording volume at around 0.36, which is pretty low. This I kept so because of my earlier mic, because it captures a lot of noise otherwise. I will try to increase it a little bit. You can also feel the noise increasing here also. but if I keep it around 0.58, then I get a pretty good level, which is minus 24 and in between minus 24 and minus 18. And I'm capturing this audio from this particular mic, and you could see the signal. I'm capturing this audio from this particular mic, and you could see the signal. So it could sound pretty good after a little bit of post-processing if I do a little bit of noise reduction, and I do a little bit of amplification, and I do a little bit of EQ. If I turn a little bit of EQ in and up, I could pretty much get a good signal, I guess. Also, I'll try to normalize it. I'm capturing this audio from this particular mic, and you could see the signal. I should have probably warned you about the volume level that's going to increase. So you heard it. So it's sound pretty decent for $1,200. And I would really suggest that this as an entry-level microphone, which you can have within the budget, and at least you should be having this one to start with. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. Thank you for watching.